Okay.
You can start it right now.
Yeah. Start right now.
To show y'all
Uh-huh.
how this lead from Eagle Extractor works.
Okay.
So I got it connected to the home.
Uh-huh.
I got an 8-foot net, and the braille line gets hard on your hands. I'll show y'all how it helps, and it also keeps the shrimp at the bottom of the net.
អត់ទេអាហ្នឹងយកធ្វើអេតកោតទេ Okay.
Like that, we're ready to throw. So you see the grip in my line every 16 inches. This is on a 5-tech cast net. See how my horns like that? Catch it, you go in one shot to the basket. Empty it out.